Hi guys! Recently this AI transition and dance trend is going viral on TikTok and other media platforms. A lot of people are curious how these videos are made. In this video, I will share a super easy way to make cosplay dance videos. Let's get started. The trending dance are mainly created using ready-made templates. I will show you how to use the ready-to-use templates inside the AI Marvels app. You can find the official link in the description. When we enter the app, scroll down and find the cosplay trending section. Tap all. Here are the templates for different cosplays. Take this dance for example. Tap Use Template, and tap one of your own photos, and tap Generate. When it is completed, we have this cool AI transition and dance video. You may also use other photos to get different versions. Here is a female version. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. There are more trending AI video templates in the app. Feel free to explore them yourself. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.